Okay, today we're going to look at some revision on Pythagoras. There are two types of questions we need to look at. And the first one is where you're finding the hypotenuse. So remember, you need a right angle triangle. The hypotenuse is the longest side opposite the right angle, and we'll just give the other two sides a length. It states that c squared equals a squared plus b squared. So label your triangle. C is the hypotenuse opposite the right angle. A and B are the other two sides. Stick in what we know. We don't know what C is. A is 5 and B is 4. Work that out on your calculator and you're going to find that c squared equals 41. We don't want to know what c squared is, we want to know what c is. So what we're going to have to do is take the square root of 41 and that'll give you a decimal. You need to decide if you're going to round to 1 or 2 decimal places. So we're going to round to 1 decimal place, so that's 6.4 metres to 1 decimal place. Alright, what we're going to do is we're going to have a look. Okay, so let's have a look at the second one. We're going to start with our right angle triangle. I'm going to let you know that the hypotenuse is 12 metres and this side here is 7 metres. This time we're going to find this side here. Alright, so same as before, first job is to label it. Opposite there is the hypotenuse, so we say that's C and the other two sides A and B. Let's write down our formula again. C squared equals A squared plus B squared. Let's put in what we know. This time we know that 12 is C, so we've got 12 squared. We don't know what A is, I'm just going to leave it as A. And B is 7 squared. So this is different because the A is over here with the 7. And so what we need to do is get this 7 over here, leaving the A on its own. We need to make A the subject. So that's going to give me A squared. Opposite of adding 7 squared is to take it away. So we're going to take 7 squared away. Work that out on your calculator again. And you get 95. So A squared is 95. So just like before, if we want to know what A is, we have to take the square root of 95 and then decide on your rounding. So again, I'm going to round to 1 decimal place. So in this case it's going to be 7 on the end, 9.7 metres to 1 decimal place. So that's the second type of Pythagoras. Two pretty straightforward ones, just solve them slightly different ways.